Hey guys, we're in the Czech Republic. Yo man! You can make the money everywhere and time is right now. Hi guys, welcome everybody who's watching this video right now. This is the Team Wider right here, and guys, you know, right now we're in the Czech Republic, and I want to tell you first of all about the Bepic company, guys, because all of you're watching my channel because you want to make some money online. You want to earn great commissions, you want to earn great income every single day, and Bepic can give you that's what he was searching for. Because right now I'm in the Czech Republic. Maybe after the 1 week I will be in another country. You can have the same. You can get the same, guys. So right now I'm going to center and I want to show you the new city where I live in right now, maybe for 1 more month. So will be the new entertainment vlogs. You will see everything, guys. It will be really incredible stuff. So don't miss out. And right now let's go to center, guys. I hope that you will like this video. Let's go.
Yeah, I never take doubt as a lesson. I never second guess it. Take negativity and reject it. I got my mind blind to rejection, so I'll be just fine. Don't be wasting any time with discretion. I run this campaign like I'm running an election. I pop this champagne like we're not in a recession. I feel no damn pain. Ibuprofen is a blessing. Feel it pumping through my veins. Got me feeling like I'm flexing, yeah. I'm in motion, I'm obsessive like the ocean, I'm relentless. No promotion, still progressing, overdosing on these lessons. And these words my only weapon, cut you deep, oh yeah, I threaten. Feel the heat and all the tension, need relief from this whole session. But I keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it, every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed, on this grind you always stress. So I work harder than the rest, that always said to do my best.
I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else. And I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else. And I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell. So watch me.
And you know, guys, today is a great sunny day. Great sunny day. I have the great mood because I want to show you the new places. I want to show you guys the new way how to make money online, and this is the Bepic. It's the old new way, but for some people this will be the reason to change everything in their life and go into the new way, going by the new road to success, because everybody wants the same. Everybody wants to make the more money, everybody wants to be healthy, everybody wants to find success, and this is what we're doing in the Bepic. So guys, you know, right now we're in the center of the Karolina. This is the city in the Czech Republic, and I want to tell you guys that with Bepic you have the great chance to travel every time. You have the great chance to make money online, and this is really what everybody's searching for. Every time you have the great opportunity. You see, there's the beautiful place, there's the some entertainment right here in the center, and the people, they're going crazy. They're doing some crazy stuff. They just running. They have they're happy right here. They're happy every time, because when you can travel, when you can see different people, what they're doing, when you can see different cities, it's changing your imagination. You have the great chance, guys. You have the great chance. So right now, where are we going? We're going to the silent place when we'll speak with all of you one-on-one, whatever it is. And guys, I will explain you all the details about what you must do to be also right here and start to make a great money with us, with the Bepic company. And of course, like I said, every day I will try to upload something like this, really entertainment and incredible videos with my new style, something like this, guys. So we're going right now. I want to show you some park and everything, guys. This is really beautiful. Let's go to the silent place and we'll talk right now.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, this a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Headed down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today, for a minute. I don't stay, I just visit, have no shame, I admit it.
So friends, right now we came to the silent place. This is the really park, and really incredible. The nature, the people, they love to run in here, they love to train in right here, they love to spend the time right here. And you can also, guys, like I said, you can also do the traveling, you can also be in the different places if you will make one decision, one small decision about the great opportunity which give you the freedom. Bepic company. Bepic company. Why every time I propose this company to the people? Because guys, you must to understand first about the mindset. If you see the real opportunity where the no scam, where the people they doing the great business, where the people they growing from the bottom to the top, where the people making the great money, so why don't try it? You every time searching for the some kind of the opportunities, you searching for the some stuff which brings you some sense or something like this. But some of the people, they don't think to the future, like on the 5 years more, on the 10 years more. Just even guys, if you want to make the real business, you must to watch minimum on the 2 years in the future. You must to not think about the $100 or like $50 which to make in the 1 month or like in the few days. No, it's not working. You want to get the really incredible money, right? You want to start to make like $1,000, $2,000, $10,000 per month, per week, doesn't matter, per day. You have this opportunity in the Bepic because this is the legit network marketing company where we have the great products like Elevate and the Accelerate. And you know, already I ordered few packages to my city right now, to the new place where I live in right now, and I think I will be here, like I said, 1 more month. And my new packages will be, I think in the 1 week I will get it, and I will start to make promotion here in the Czech Republic, because we're doing the training right now. We are training with the Elevate guys. This is the really incredible, because you can do the business everywhere, you can travel everywhere, you can explain the different people about our great opportunity, about our great product, and all you need just share. So why don't try it? Guys, we have the incredible opportunity to start to make our business from the $24.95 packages. Other people, they don't have this kind of the opportunity. Other companies don't have this kind of the opportunity. We have right now here the great chance. We have right now the great time, because right now is the summer. Right now with the many people, they go and rest, and you can communicate. Like you go into vacation, you go into the, maybe, I don't know, maybe you go into the sea, maybe you go into the, with your family, to the some holiday. You see the different people, tell them about the Bepic, explain them about what we have right now here, how our products works, and that's it. Just tell me, listen buddy, you want to make the money? Yeah, you want to make the money, wants to make the real business. We're doing right now the great job, we're doing right now the great stuff. And explain him everything, explain the people everything, and start to make the revolution, guys. Because the Bepic really will be exploiting the 2018, like I said. It will be the powerful revolution in the network marketing. Woo! It will be powerful revolution in the everything. Like the people every time they screaming, like they just some crazy stuff, you know, every time. And you know, I like to be in the different places. I like to meet the different people and tell them about what we have in the Bepic, because it's give you the power, it's give you the freedom, it's giving you the success. So guys, $24.95 package, try the Elevate. This is the best product right now. You must try it, because I can explain you many things about the Elevate. This is the great product. This is giving you the energy. This is giving you the power. It's giving you you start to think different. But bro, listen, I will explain you many things, but you must try it. You must order this product right now. Try it one time and you will understand how it's work. Because really, something like this you couldn't find on the market or somewhere else. You know, in the many videos I told this to the many people, and your chances right now. Bro, listen, you know, most of my subscribers, it's the men's who wants to change in their life, but also I have the women. And I want to tell you, for all of you guys, you searching for the great opportunity, you searching for the great stuff, how to make money online. So don't waste your time. Don't need to run for the different places. Don't need to run to the many websites to search in something. We already find it. We already right here more than 1 year. And we're happy because we know Eric Caprizi, who made this company for us, who made this product like Elevate and Accelerate. And we just enjoying the life. We enjoying the freedom, and you can do the same. Guys, it was Team Wider. I will try to make this kind of the videos as often as I can. and we'll see you really soon in the new incredible stuff, in the vlogs and the everything. Guys, really, I wanna wish you, for all of you who watching my vlog right now, who watching this video, bro, if you're searching for success, if you're searching how to make money online, so don't miss your chance. In the description will be the link for the registration. Make the registration, get the product right now, try the product, start to share, and start to make your $1,000 already from today.
Here we come. Here we come.